Are you tired of the chaos of appointment scheduling and dreaming of an AI-powered assistant to handle the grunt work? Today's tutorial dives deep into the exact webhook you need to build a killer AI appointment setter right here in Vapi, cutting through the complexity and making automated scheduling a reality. First, we need to understand the cornerstone of our automation journey, webhooks. Think of webhooks like magical messengers. When something happens, like a new appointment request, a webhook sends a notification and relevant data to another application, in our case our AI appointment setter. This notification acts like a trigger, initiating the next steps in your appointment creation and management flow. In Vapi, setting up the right webhook is crucial. Inside the Vapi platform, navigate to the Settings or Integrations section, often found with the gear icon, and look for the Webhooks option. This is where the magic truly begins. Inside the Webhook configuration, you'll typically find fields for the webhook URL, data format, and potentially headers. You must select the correct webhook URL, typically the address that is provided by your AI application. Ensure you choose the data format your AI assistant can understand, such as JSON, to format the information that gets sent. Now, the core of which webhook to use. It completely depends on what event you want to trigger the automation. If you want automation on customer's inquiry, you would select the webhook named like customer inquiry. Then, your AI appointment setter should receive this data payload and use for scheduling an appointment. Congratulations, you're all set to create an amazing appointment automation process. By choosing the proper webhook, the AI will receive the customer requests and schedule the appointments with the correct webhook selection. Your AI-powered appointment setter seamlessly integrates with Vapi.